of your success. Here in Empowered Consumerism, it's always a group effort. Where you are right now has been because of the help of both of your partners and mentors and your group as a whole. You see, this is a people's business. It's a synergy of people helping each other, guiding each other, and succeeding together. Having said that, it simply means that in order for you to be successful, your team should be successful as well. And all our awardees tonight know exactly what I'm saying. This is just the start of an even bigger success ahead of us. The opportunity that is waiting for you is endless. But for us to be able to succeed, we have to keep breaking barriers. And tonight, we'll be talking about breaking team barriers. It's all lies in the word itself, break. Let's start with letter B, balance. A strong point that I'd like to highlight here is the balance treatment that you give amongst all your partners within your group. There is no such thing as a weak leg or a strong leg. They are all part of your team. Therefore, they should all be given the same respect and attention that they deserve and need. There should be fairness, equality, and consistency. Each partner, each member of your team should be given the same amount of effort, support, guidance, and leadership from you. There will be times when you find yourself under pressure to help a partner, bend the rules, or make an exception. The key here is fairness and consistency. There can be no favoritism. You should be impartial as everyone should abide by the rules. Everyone bears the burden of the team's effort, not just the positive results. Well, according to Johann Wolfgang von Goethe said, the way you see people is the way you treat them. And the way you treat them is the way they become. Now let's go to letter R, reciprocal action. It is when two people, or in our case, a group or a team, who do the same thing to each other, agree to help one another in a similar way. As it is said in the biblical golden rule, do unto others as you have them do unto you. Given this, you have to be an interdependent team working together, accomplishing your goals together. And though each of you has your own personal goals and dreams at hand, the success of each one in your team is the success of the whole team. Got it? Next, letter E, encourage collaboration. I can do things you cannot. You can do things I cannot. But together, we can do great things. This is the perfect description of partnership and encourage collaboration. If you want to multiply your effectiveness, you need to work with others. You need to work with your team. Success in this business is not possible without the collaboration or partnership with others. So how do we collaborate with partners or in our team? First, we have to add value to each other. Adding value is the only way your partnership will grow. A Chinese proverb says, one may be a leader for a time, but by helping others succeed, one will be a leader forever. One way you can add value to your team and encourage each other is by giving them ideas, sharing with them the things that you have learned, ideas and tools that they can use in order for all of you to grow as a team. Second, of course, one of the most important, trust and respect each other. You know, trust is the foundation of any solid relationship. Trust cannot be established quickly. It must be earned, proven, and tested over time. Once it has been established, your team will benefit from this advantage and everything will function smoothly. Now the thing is, as soon as we gain the partnership and trust, most of the time, we take it for granted. When that happens, the team starts to deteriorate, and it's only a matter of time before your partners start to quit or lose their motivation. That is why we have to practice gratitude for for our team and work hard to earn their respect. All your collaboration cannot thrive today on respect that was earned yesterday. It must be continually re-earned, day after single day. Zig Ziglar said, if you help others get what they want, they will help you get everything you need in life. Accountability, for letter A. Accountability, in the simplest understanding, is about taking ownership of your thoughts, behaviors, actions, and your performance. In a team, it is of utmost importance that everyone is accountable for their obligations, for their activities, and for making sure that your goals and strategies as a team are accomplished. Taking ownership and initiative, not just in doing the right thing for yourself, but for everyone in the team. You see, for your team to truly function and succeed, there should be accountability. Everyone is responsible for one another. There will be delays, obstacles, and sometimes failures. But a great team is defined by how they manage this, how they plan, and eventually bounce back together. Accountability is the glue that ties commitment to the result, according to Bob Proctor. Finally, letter K, keep on growing. Growth in any form of business is mandatory. It is not optional. If we fail to grow, it's not a matter of staying where we are. We become stagnant and fall further and further behind. You know, to keep on growing means giving up on things that are familiar to us, to take new steps and do new things in new ways. The reward lies not in what we get from growing, but in what we become because of growth. Your focus should be on how far you can go because your capacity is limitless. Now, 2 points to keep growing. First, focus forward. Tony Robbins said, where focus goes, energy flows. You will face countless distractions along the way. That's why you need to feed your focus so you can diminish your distractions. Say no to the good so you can say yes to the best. Along with this is making sure that your team grows with you. You grow and grow together as a team. If you want to grow into your goals and your dreams, you'll greatly benefit by surrounding yourself with people who will grow with you. Remember, we grow when we help each other grow. Second, desire change. According to Gerald Brooks, every level of growth requires a new level of change. We can change but not necessarily grow. But if we grow, we will change. Growth is our only guarantee that tomorrow is going to get better. My dear empowered consumers, we are here for one thing, and that is to be successful. Some have taken their first step towards success. Others have been enjoying success already, and most of you out there is still working on your success. But just as everything takes time, I know for sure your time will come. Why? Because you are in the best company, and all you have to do is break your personal barriers. Empower your team, break as a team, of course not literally breaking, but always balancing in fairness and consistency, making sure that actions are reciprocated, you encourage one another, hold each other accountable of the course, the most important part. This is the most important part. You grow and succeed together. Success in EC is inevitable. You are not just in the right company, but you are in the best company. All you have to do is to set your mind, your heart, and your soul into it. Empowered consumerism has once again proved that no pandemic, no obstacles can stand in our way because we are made for success. We don't succeed on our own. We succeed together and we succeed as one. Let's break barriers this 2021. God bless and more power!